Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be upping the spring rate in the rear of my NC1 track car from 7K to 8K. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it. So with the coilover removed, you can now remove the top hat from the shock itself. My coilover is a 6mm shaft with a 19mm, so I'm going to hold the shaft with the wrench and then take the 19mm off. Okay, with the Swift spring off, this was a 7K spring, 2.5-inch inner diameter by 6 inches long. I am replacing that with a 2.5-inch inner diameter, 6-inch long Eibach spring, 450 pounds per inch or 8.05K roughly. There is no weight difference on these springs either. I know Swifts are supposed to be the lightest on the market. I weighed it, 1.8 pounds. I weighed the Eibach, 1.8 pounds. So in this scenario, these springs weigh the same. So I'm gonna put the Eibach on and I'll show you how to do it. So I transferred the spring isolator from the old setup to the new spring, and you basically put your new top hat on like so, and then we'll put the shock in the middle. We'll put our 19mm back on and cinch it down. This is the coilover fully assembled. 19mm is torqued, and we have a Christmas theme going on now. It's really not that hard to change spring rates. The reason why I did this again is because I upped the aero package in the rear. It's now chassis mounted, so a little bit more spring rate. In hindsight, I wish I would have went a little bit more. The differential from the front to the rear is a little too much to my liking, but working at a step at a time. And then these coilovers aren't gonna be on my car much longer. I'm going to get Zetas. Changing the springs was only a couple $100, about 144 to be exact. I'm hoping this is gonna help at the track, and we'll put this back on the car. Coilovers are back on the car. I'll set the car back on the ground. You may notice the wing is missing. I actually ended up mounting it to the trunk as well, using the old race bred mounts. So this thing has almost no flex at all. It's really awesome. I love it. Thanks again to Sean for helping me with that. That was an update on the wing. Once it's all painted and stuff, I'm gonna do another video anyways. But yeah, really easy to change the spring rates on aftermarket coilovers. Like I said, I'm not gonna have these coilovers much longer. I'm gonna get Zetas, but for the meantime, I wanted to throw a higher spring rate on there just to see how it's gonna handle the track. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.